Alright, this is for when your battery dies on the jetter or some kind of electronics mess up. Mainly the battery issue, and this usually happens over here. Is right here. This happens a lot. When you have your jetter on remote, you're gonna have it in there. You can pull the key out and it still stays on. Battery dies. That's why we have the still on labeled. Alright, so right now it's not happening, but we'll demonstrate what happens when the power goes out. Boom, turn her off. To access, once that power goes out, you'll see faults on the side of the screen. Take this panel off. It's 5 screws. Now, to reset it, what you need to do is this plug right here, unplug it. Boom. Next step, it's an important one. Try to turn it back on. Leave it for like about 15 seconds or so. You'll see the right hand side, this will start flashing, and there'll be faults. Boom. Now, turn it back off, take the key out. Plug it back in. Turn it back on. Not all the way on for the ignition to switch, but on for the electronics. Just want to make sure. Now, wait for it. Still flashing. You got an issue. Hit next, next, next. Now this is system faults. You don't want to hit that one. You hit next again. And then you go down. You have to hit select for choosing, enter for configure. Now the password for this one, it's 4321. As you can see, I'm using select to change the next one and the arrow up to change the number. And once you get the code in, you hit enter. Now you're here. Important thing before you do any other steps, you have to make sure right here it says disabled. Now you go for select, go all the way down, throttle variable, hit calibrate. Now you can see the min's already calibrated, so right now we just have to do the maximum, but we'll show you both. You hold down up for the calibrate. You can see the throttle's going up. Then it says max calibrated. And just for safety wise, you can always hit the down button. It's already minimum calibrated, so you don't have to worry about too much, but just double check. You can do it. Now, you go to water. Same thing, calibrate. You'll hear it turn on this time. Go all the way up, wait till it says max calibrated. And it's max. You hold down again just to make yourself feel safe. As long as it says minimum calibrate already, you do not need to do this step, but we're doing it just to show you. Now you're done. You hit this button. This is the exit. That's what the door is. Boom. Start. Good to go, and no faults.